Meet Dr. Vanquish, Thermo Fisher Scientific's resident professor of liquid chromatography. He's here to help HPLC lab managers like you, who are constantly being asked to do more with fewer resources to improve your lab's productivity. Today's class is on the Thermo Scientific Vanquish Duo HPLC and UHPLC systems, which is an umbrella name for high-productivity Vanquish LC systems having 2 pumps. Why 2 pumps, you ask? Because 2 pumps can increase sample throughput, facilitating more comprehensive sample characterization and enabling a faster return on investment. There are multiple workflows within Vanquish Duo systems, all with individual names: Dual LC, Tandem LC or Lcms, Dual Lcms, and Inverse Gradient. These 4 workflows each need different hardware configurations, but the one thing they all have in common is that they always have 2 pumps. So what are the differences between the 4 workflows? All workflows make use of a second pump, but only Dual LC and Dual Lcms also utilize the novel dual split sampler. Tandem LC or Lcms and Inverse Gradient use a single arm split sampler. We develop different workflows because each has a unique value and is designed to solve specific analytical problems. So let's go through those. The Vanquish Duo for Dual LC workflow doubles the throughput of any non-MS application. Can you imagine? Double the throughput? And it is only as big as a single LC system. What if you need to run 2 separate lengthy tests to characterize your sample? No problem. The Vanquish Duo for Dual LC has 2 completely independent flow paths. This means you can run 2 different samples or 2 different modes of chromatography at the same time on the same system, a new level of efficiency. Don't need to double your throughput but still want to save time? The Tandem LC or Lcms workflow may be the right approach for you. Tandem LC or Lcms increases the throughput of one single method by excluding the column reconditioning from the overall analysis time. That means that while one column is used for the separation, the other column is reconditioned. Your throughput gain using this workflow will average around 40%. Dual Lcms is the 3rd workflow and is ideally suited as an MS inlet. By using ARIA software, Dual Lcms facilitates up to double throughput of an MS application, or in-depth characterization of a specific sample. This can be helic and RP chromatography for metabolomics. Finally, the Inverse Gradient workflow is specifically for the unique and universal charged aerosol detector. This workflow helps you to obtain a uniform response and enables quantification even when no standards are available. By leveraging one of these workflows, the Vanquish Duo systems help labs with limited resources, such as a limited budget, space, or manpower, achieve more throughput, more sample knowledge, more efficient use of bench space, and more effective deployment of capital investment. To learn more about Vanquish Duo from Thermo Scientific, visit us today at thermofisher.com/vanquishduo.